Good.
Oh!
Grabe.
Bilis tanan, tanan. Good.
Very good.
Hi po, I'm Rolem, your therapist. This is Ma'am M. Ma'am M suffers for a pain sa ilang hoka activity. And then, di-call ko niya because nagka-tight na yun daw ang iyang muscles, labi niya yung back o yung legs. Starts ko sa basic na few stretching and then adjustments in order para ma-relax sa daan si Ma'am before ko ma-start yung treatment.
Sige, last na to. Release. Good. Tingkad, ma'am. Tingkad sa balik. Okay.
Oh!
Grabe, good. Kakanshi. Okay lang. Kung na-release, ang pressure.
Makita ninyo karon na na-relieve na si Ma'am and na-release na ng parang tension sa iyang muscles. Okay? After na maghanap yung mga basic adjustments.
Ilan lang.
Bilis tanan, tanan. Good.
Very good.
So another satisfied customer. Thank you for watching. Bye!